The last visual I'll bring in is a pie chart. And we are going to use crime type as our legend. And also crime type as the value. So I can test this just by filtering on antisocial behavior, and you'll immediately notice that the color choices in the map, which are using our lookup table, are not reflected in the pie chart one, unfortunately. So to get around this, we can select our pie chart. We go over to Format Your Visual. And under Slices, the Power BI has created color picker dialogues for every crime type. And I'm afraid it's a case of going in and selecting more colors. And then I would pop over to my, I've forgotten which crime type this is. It's violence. Grab the color, return to Power BI, and update it. And then if I was to just search on violence and sexual offences, you should see they are now matching. So I'd have to do that for all of them. But there we are. And that's it. We've got our map. We've got two slices, one doing by boundary name, district and ward, and we've got a slicer using crime type, and then a nice pie chart at the end showing the breakdown of the currently filtered data.